Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to show how to install Xiaomi Mijia Leshow SS4 Bladeless standing fan in MiHome app. First of all, of course, we need to run MiHome app. Let's plug in the fan. Now, by clicking the plus icon in the upper right hand corner, we can add a new device. Hopefully it will be automatically discovered, and if not, we can add it manually from the list of devices. Now we need to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Select your SSID, enter the password, and wait. The connection will take some time. After successful connection, we have the usual options to add it to the room of choice or to rename it. The Get an Info screen might take a while, and if it takes too long, just don't panic. Click the Cancel button and try again. The beeping you can hear is me operating the fan with the included infrared remote controller. Now let's agree to the user agreement and explore the options in MiHome. As you can see, the main screen is pretty simple. There are only two buttons to turn the fan on and off, and the sleep button to set it to turn off after a specified amount of time. For more options, you need to slide from the bottom of the screen. Now you get sliders to set the fan wind speed, timer, and 2 extra buttons to turn on the confirmational beeping sound and to make fan rotate or not. And additional options, there really isn't much. Standard MiHome options to rename the device, share it with your family member, create automations, set location, update firmware, etc. As with most of the devices, there is a firmware update readily available, so let's update it. This might take a while, so have patience. Now let's see what automation options we have at our disposal. As you can see, there really isn't much. We can turn the sound notifications on or off, then there is options to make the fan turn, and the options which are not translated from Chinese, I suppose, to turn it on and off. Unfortunately, you can't set the wind speed nor sleep functions from the automations. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.